Thank you for being here today. Thank you for being here today. Use this to welcome your audience before a presentation. Today, I'll present our analysis. Today, I'll present our analysis. Use this when introducing your presentation. Let's begin with the sales overview. Let's begin with the sales overview. Use this when starting your presentation with key results. This chart shows our monthly performance. This chart shows our monthly performance. Use this when explaining a chart or graph. As you can see, sales increased steadily. As you can see, sales increased steadily. Use this when highlighting a positive trend. This is our best performing product. This is our best performing product. Use this when discussing top performing products or services. Customer satisfaction improved this quarter. Customer satisfaction improved this quarter. Use this when presenting customer experience results. The data reveals an interesting trend. The data reveals an interesting trend. Use this when introducing an important insight. Let's compare this with last quarter. Let's compare this with last quarter. Use this when comparing business performance over time. The numbers speak for themselves. The numbers speak for themselves. Use this when the results clearly support your point. Based on the data, we recommend this strategy. Based on the data, we recommend this strategy. Use this when presenting a recommendation. This decision is supported by data. This decision is supported by data. Use this when explaining that your conclusion is evidence-based. Our goal is to improve performance. Our goal is to improve performance. Use this when discussing business objectives. These are the key takeaways. These are the key takeaways. Use this when summarizing your main points. I'd like to highlight one important finding. I'd like to highlight one important finding. Use this when emphasizing a significant insight. This metric requires attention. This metric requires attention. Use this when discussing an area that needs improvement. We should monitor this trend closely. We should monitor this trend closely. Use this when recommending ongoing observation. Thank you for your attention. Thank you for your attention. Use this when ending your presentation politely. I'd be happy to answer your questions. I'd be happy to answer your questions. Use this when opening the floor for questions. That's an excellent question. That's an excellent question. Use this when responding positively to a question. Let me explain that further. Let me explain that further. Use this when providing additional clarification. I'll share the presentation after the meeting. I'll share the presentation after the meeting. Use this when promising to send your slides. I appreciate your valuable feedback. I appreciate your valuable feedback. Use this after receiving comments or suggestions. Thank you for your time today. Thank you for your time today. Use this as a professional closing. Have a great day, everyone. Have a great day, everyone. Use this to end your presentation on a positive note.